It's not easy to do without having something reminding you every single time. Confidence. A shirt. That was it. It's not your average shirt, man. It just makes you feel good.
Tour players is always emphasizing good posture, so we're constantly working the posterior chain, the lower scaps, to work thoracic extension. Something like this bra is excellent because it automatically puts you into this posture, and then I'm not fighting so much on what they're doing when they're outside of the gym working with me.
For those that fly a lot like me overseas, this is great. You know how you get slunched and you feel the pain, the back, and you're always moving around. It gives you the ergonomic and statuesque power to live freely and live strong.
My name is Alfred Francis. I'm a former track athlete, now a recreational runner. And I'm trying this shirt for the first time, and I must say I feel like my structure feels good. I feel like I have been doing Pilates and yoga and everything, and my body is restructured. So it's excellent. I'd recommend it to anybody.
With this, you feel a natural pinching of your shoulder blades, and it really expands my chest, improves my posture. I feel a little bit taller.
This put me in perfect alignment 1 second.
I'm always rounding my shoulders, playing golf and getting in a golf position. Putting this on immediately draws my shoulders back, puts them in position, gets the scap engaged. I feel great, and I'm not forcing it. It's just putting me there.
My posture is, not hunched over, and it pulls my shoulder blades back. I think this shirt will help me recover quickly and keep my muscles engaged and moving the right ways.
I've had a lot of issues in the past with my neck and shoulders and a lot of pain coming from tension there. As soon as I put on this shirt, I could feel the tension going away.
Hi, my name is Diane. I'm trying on the sport bra as well as the shirt, and it's amazing. I do yoga and Pilates, and what I'm feeling is that I'm not even in class, and yet my shoulders are expanding, my chest is expanding, my shoulders are back. Without doing any work, I just feel great. This is an amazing product.
I feel more confident. Also, because I wasn't able to exercise, I have here, it's holding it in, in an astronomical way that I couldn't even believe, where to go. It's comfortable.
I miss the automatic fixing that it does. I really miss it.